Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of The Snack Break. I'm Monique, aka the This Bitch. Today we've got some very exciting little snackies here on the snack stage. We've got the Doritos in Tangy Tamarind. I've never seen this before in my life, so this is wild. And the Cheetos Bolitas in Chile Y Queso, so chili and cheese. So the bolitas we got in our neighborhood, but the Tangy Tamarind were a little nifty gifty from our friend Jackie. Thank you so much for bringing back a bag of these. I'm so excited to try it. But you know what? We're gonna start with the bolitas first. So bolitas, so they're balls, they're cheese balls, but with chili and cheese flavor. I've never seen these before. I'm very stoked because if these are good, they're like, I mean, just chili and cheese. Like, come on, it's gotta be good, right? Right? Let me take a Lactaid because of the milk implications. Ooh, I'm liking what I'm smelling. Kind of a taco-y, chili powdery, smoky vibe. A little bit of cheese on the finish. Now, if you can see, they do look like regular cheese balls, but with like little speckles of brown. So I'm guessing that is the chili powder. Like I said, these smell amazing, and I love, y'all know I love my crunchy, cheesy snacks. So if this ends up being a success, these are gonna be a problem. Let's see. Let's try two at a time. Okay. I feel like this is something you have to eat by the handful. You cannot eat it individually because you're not going to get a big cheese impact from just one. There's a little bit of a spice on the finish that I like. A little like warming right on the back of my tongue and in my throat. I kind of wish these were a little bit saltier. Like, I feel like the flavor isn't loud enough for me. I'm trying to figure, let's see. It does say made in North America. I'm trying to figure out if this was made in Mexico or was it made in America. Because I feel like with a lot of American snacks, the flavors are usually very loud and artificial. And when you get stuff from overseas, sometimes the flavors can be a little bit more muted because they're not using as much fake, garbage the way that we do. These aren't bad though. I'm definitely getting a little bit of citrus too, a little bit of lime, which I wasn't expecting. Okay. The ones that are a little bit more coated in flavor, oh man. These are pretty good. Cheesy, limey, spicy. Oh, hell yeah. Okay. Yeah, I feel like I should have just shaken it up a little bit more. Because as I'm getting the more coated ones, I'm getting an even better flavor. Really lovely and light and crispy. And not as greasy as usual Cheetos. I love Cheetos, but sometimes it can get a little greasy. And these have a really nice, light, clean taste. I'm digging those. All right. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Nice little bit of heat on the finish, too. We're going to get right into the Tangy Tamarind. Spicy, sour zing. That's basically what the copy is on the back of this. So for those who don't know what tamarind is, I'm about to be mean. It sort of looks like a poop. Like it's like, and it comes in this like a brown pod, and it's usually like 3 to 4 pods in like a plant. And when you open them, there's like this sticky, sweet, tangy paste that's kind of like surrounding the seeds. And you can soak those and get the liquid out of them or scrape the paste out. And it's used by many different cuisines. And we're about to try them on some Doritos today. Whoa. This flavor, the scent is very intense. Look how fucking metal that Dorito piece looks. It is not joking around. These are all really well coated in seasoning. I feel a little intimidated. Whoa. Okay. Let's go. If you are not a fan of sour things, you will not like this. Wow. Wow. I don't think I've ever tasted a taste like this in a Dorito ever. These are very, wow, 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 wow. Wow. This is so intense. I don't think I could eat like a whole bag in one sitting, but I'm like at a loss for words. I'm not really sure how to describe this flavor. I mean, it is very much spicy, sour, and zingy. There's an intense sourness that like coats your entire mouth as you're chewing, and that sort of melts away to a really robust spiciness that's not prickly, but it's just really warming. You know, I can even feel my mouth watering as I'm eating it. Whoa. Definitely tastes that garlic. It almost tastes like they combined the flavors of ranch with no creaminess and then just substituted the tamarind instead. Like I used to get that same brightness from like a Cool Ranch Dorito. I get a similar sort of like tangy brightness, but it's just more fruity than creamy. Wow. I don't think I've ever, I think the last Doritos flavor that like really made me like, woo, I love it, is the sweet chili. I love the sweet chili Doritos. I think this is the first time since I've had those that I've really been like blown away by a flavor of Dorito. This is pretty fantastic. I really like them. I feel like you like tamarind, you like sour stuff, you would be open to trying these. These are definitely not for everybody, but I'm really, really impressed. Wow. I gotta sit and think about this. Wow. Okay, so the Cheetos Bolitas and chili and cheese, great. Super munchy, super tasty. And the Doritos Tangy Tamarind pretty much blew me away. That's pretty fucking great. Like I said, it's not for everyone, but I feel we're gonna find that there's a lot of folks that are gonna be like very low-key obsessed with this Doritos flavor. All right. That is all she wrote today on this episode of The Snack Break. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm gonna go and eat more chips. So you go, so I can eat more chips. Goodbye. Go, go, go. We'll see you next time.